Here we are camping under the stars in the Blue Ridge Mountains.
These are the sticks for the marshmallows we're going to make for dessert.
Oh, lovely. What about that, Nicole? What do you think about that, the marshmallows?
We're going to make them with the chocolate and graham crackers.
Mmm, delicious schmoes.
They're called s'mores.
What do you think about that, Christina? Yeah? Oh, you having your campfire food? Mmm, those are yummy vittles. And here's Mommy. They cooked the yummy vittles.
Vittles?
Vittles. That's hillbilly for dinner.
It's like in that book about Tinkerbell with the camping stuff.
Oh, yeah?
Tinkerbell in the great camp out. Yeah.
Cool.
The great camp out.
This is cool. And then look, we got a tent. We're all inside a tent here. I don't know if you could see that. We got a beautiful tent. Blue tent. And, of course, we have the campfire, where soon we'll be roasting delicious, lovely marshmallows and making delicious schmoes. Okay, that's all from Blue Ridge, Georgia, July 9th, 2011.